Hello and thanks for watching. So I have in front of me a couple of handguns, and one in particular you're going to want to know all the details. I'm actually here with XD Man at Sheepdog Firearms located in Trussville, Alabama. He was gracious enough to let me do a review on this one, and I couldn't say no. He did an unboxing already. You definitely need to check it out. I'll put a link in the description below to that. But for a comparison of the Springfield Hellcat and the Sig Sauer P365, I know you want to know how they vary in grip length, and you should be able to see they are pretty much exact. Minor difference, the Hellcat's on my left and the 365's on the right. So grip length, and firearms are unloaded and safe. Slide length, Hellcat looks like from a flat surface it nudges it out on overall length. I'll try to do a pretty close in size. And then if you wonder about the Hellcat and the XDS, this is a 45 ACP model, but the 45 ACP and the 9mm, they pretty close in dimensions.
Outside dimensions, yes.
Outside dimensions, they are the same. So that is grip length on the XDS and the Hellcat. He did a comparison as well on his channel and video. So anyways, I wanted to give you those quick dimensions because I know people are dying to know. How about let's shoot them? Okay, so I'll be shooting from about a little north of 5 yards, I'll say. First up, I'm going to shoot the older model, the P365, and work my way up to the model with the Springfield Hellcat. P365 magazine, which this is a rental here at Sheepdog, correct? So it is definitely broken in. Magazine is easy to load. I'm not telling how many thousands of rounds it's been through it. I shot a magazine through it prior to recording, and magazine through the Hellcat, and with the stiff spring in the Hellcat, which is being expected of a brand new Hell gun, it like I said, it's quite stiff. Rode it home, but felt pretty gritty. We're hot. Get it down range. I will say, being in this indoor range, we had the fans off to keep the noise down. Quite humid, nice and sweaty. My glasses are fogging up. But with that being said, the P365 felt well under control. So next up, I have the 11-round magazine and the aim higher, distinguish the shots. quite as slippery as it did the first time I shot it. It still didn't feel as out of much control as the P365. Kind of disappointed because of the technology they put inside that grip. Me being an M&P 2.0 guy, and I had a lot of high expectations for it. Not totally let down, but a little disappointed. I'm going to shoot the 13 round magazine out of the Hellcat now. Continue to try to get a feel for it. Get a full grip this time. This will be my first time shooting the 13 round magazine. I'll be the first to admit that I was unhappy with my grip technique on it. Having the full grip, it felt a lot more controlled. Still felt like I had to take my time on shot placement. With the 365 product, I was racking off one after the other, a lot more quicker. So I just step back just a few feet, see if accuracy finishes. I definitely found myself readjusting that grip. That was the 11 round. Let's do a full grip.